EPA certified. You'll see that phrase all over the place when it comes to water testing. But what does it actually mean? And more importantly, does it really matter for your water? Because not all water testing is created equal. 2 water tests from 2 different companies can give you 2 completely different sets of results. And if you're relying on those tests to help protect your family, that difference matters more than most people realize. So today, we'll talk about what it means to be EPA certified and why you should care. Being an EPA certified lab means we're authorized to follow strict government-regulated methods for testing drinking water. These are the same standards to which we're held when doing work for public water systems. But what does that actually look like in practice? There are 3 basic components to being an EPA certified laboratory. First, approved methods. We're required to use testing procedures approved by the United States Environmental Protection Agency. So when we test your water, it's done using proven, validated methodologies. No guesswork. Second, proven accuracy. We don't just run samples. We have to prove we're getting the right answers. We regularly test blind samples where we don't know the concentration ahead of time. That forces our instruments and our chemists to consistently hit results within a tight margin of the true value. That's how we demonstrate that our data is accurate, reliable, and defensible. Third, ongoing audits. The EPA hands jurisdiction for laboratory audits and oversight to the State Department of Health in most states. We're required to routinely pass an on-site audit for strict adherence to every required laboratory procedure. So EPA certification isn't something you earn once. It's something that we have to maintain. Why it matters. So when you see EPA certified, it doesn't just mean that a lab is testing your water. It means they're testing it the right way every time. Here's what a lot of people don't realize. Not all water testing is done by an EPA certified lab. Now, that doesn't automatically make those tests bad, but it does mean you may not know what standards are actually being followed behind the scenes. In those cases, you're relying on that lab's internal quality control and trusting the lab to hold itself accountable. With EPA certification, that oversight is built in. An external authority has already verified the lab's methods, accuracy, and consistency. So why choose Safe Home test kits over other EPA certified labs? Well, it's because we've built our entire process specifically for homeowners. Most labs focus solely on regulated clients, like municipalities and industrial operations. And while we do that work too, we believe homeowners deserve access to the same level of testing in a way that's simple, accessible, and consistent. That's why our test kits include everything you need to collect your samples and then ship them directly to our laboratory. Afterward, we provide a clear, easy-to-read report with actionable data and provide industry-leading customer support after the fact, so you're not stuck trying to interpret technical data on your own. So, if you're ready to test your water with a lab that's not only EPA certified, but also built with homeowners in mind, visit safehometestkits.com or give us a call today.